machine computer in a situation where it is running very slow. There is some ways, magic, that will help you to clean it, and you will see magics after the cleanup. So the system itself has some information or items that has created by itself whenever we are running some item or we are doing some work in the system. So first, let's start by right clicking the start key and then hit run. Then from there, let's type clean mgr. And then hit OK. It requests you where you want to clean it in your system, so you have to hit OK. Right now it is calculating how the much we want to clean up in the system. As you can see, some items need to be clean, so everything here you have to check what is there, because these are temporary files that get created whenever we are working on our machine. Then after checking all of them, you can see the total space that is getting created, around 974, of which I know in your PC, in your laptop, in your computer, you will have a lot of space. Maybe you have clean. I know some this some of you know it, to do it, and this is a way you will be doing it. It is very helpful, very healthy. Your machine will be up and running fast like it is new. So anything in recycle bit, in case you want to still keep it, you have to put it aside. But right now we have to check it already. You can see the bytes with us, there is nothing, and that is it. You come down here and hit OK, and you state on the files that to be deleted. So just go ahead and delete. And that is it. Let's move on to see other ways in which we can do the cleanup of our system. So let's go ahead and hit the start key, right click, and then come here and hit the run key. Then from there, let's type temp. Then hit OK. You can see a lot of items that are here. They get created whenever you are doing some work. So because I know you may have been doing a lot, then you may be having a lot that has get created by itself. So this is it. What we can do now is you hit control, you just select one of it. Yeah, after selecting, then you hit control A, then the whole of it is get selected. Then as a way, let's delete it by hitting shift delete, and it asks you for permission for the all items to get deleted. Then you just say yes, and in some cases some items will not be deleted. Then that's okay, just do the checking here and skip it, while the rest get deleted. The one that has not deleted, that's okay, there's no problem. We have to give it some time for it to get to delete everything. That is within some few minutes, few seconds. Depend also with the fastness of your machine. If your machine is faster, it will be doing it. Then after finishing that, we close. Then again, we come to the start key and continue, and then hit run. Then after hitting run, let's hit the percentage temp. Then hit OK. You find also there is a lot of items that has get created. Let's come here and hit the Control A after selecting one of it. Then after highlighting everything, you hit the shift delete, and you're asked to delete the items, and you hit yes. Now some items will not get deleted, just hit skip. Then move on, allow it to the system to complete the work by deleting the one that has not accept to delete. That's okay, there's no problem. Continue, allow the system to continue deleting, and within some few minutes everything will be over. At this, after finishing, you will see your system running fast like a new machine, like ever. New machine like ever. And that is it. As it get finished, you are okay to move to the next step. It's another way to do the cleanup in our system. Let's hit the start key, then come to the run, then let's type the inet cpl dot and everything has just been fetched. So let's first of all, here we are now looking for the system. The browsing system has been slow, and doing this way will bring up your system, or will make your system be a bit faster. So after hitting that, then check any proxy that could be there. By just checking here and then put here to be automatically detected, then hit OK, and you have finished. Just come here and hit OK. So that one we have hit. We also come here and click the start key and hit run. Then here we also continue in the same inet. Then now we'll go to advanced, and here in advanced we do the reset here of everything in advanced settings, and just that, hit apply. Yes, in advanced, after hitting the advanced, we come and hit reset. Then we hit this. In case you have anything that you see you need not to delete, maybe you should take it aside and then not to delete it, because here it has highlighted where all will be detected and will be deleted. So hit here, delete personal settings, has to be checked, then hit reset, and it's now checked here. Now you have to delete, and that is it. Here we'll come to start key, then right click, then hit the run. Then for now what we'll type is P R E F E T C H, then hit OK. Then it will also ask you for permission to continue. Give permission for you to continue with the next step. Then the system now look for all the chunk dust that has already been created. So just hit select one of it, and then hit Ctrl A to select everything. Then hit Shift delete for you to delete everything. Right now I have around 248 added, of which I had done some cleanup some few days. I can see there are still many. I don't know viewers. So I'll also ask you to do the subscribe to the page for you to get the other new contents. You hit this one and then you skip it because there is no mic problem with that. That's okay. Then you are finished, and thanks for watching. You are welcome back to the page and view other good contents that are there.